AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 generally is right now at $0.005. Or so they for the most part thought. AMP by and large faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP records genuinely descending development today, which fundamentally is very huge. 22 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these regularly for the most part, gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for AMP will be AMP and especially wise speculation, AMP support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the very current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The sort of complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $45,387,585,410 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Which is very critical, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which especially is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, or so they generally thought. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 0.14 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how 22 June 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What truly is essentially momentary cost expectation for AMP? Explicitly, is AMP an excellent venture, truly in spite of prevalent thinking? Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very enormous way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for truly present moment, which by and that's what large shows AMP records descending development today in an unobtrusive way. Right now, a genuinely broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing in opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which sort of is genuinely critical. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become more dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which is very critical. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants certainly move exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following in every way that really matters are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP sort of is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in a by and large significant manner. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while really complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. There in every practical sense are practically 42,227,702,186 in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, so market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656, showing how AMP support and opposition levels and so on. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, AMP value examination, AMP cost investigation for 22 June 2023, insight and everyday time period, truly made sense of underneath, showing that Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX-RSI moving in every practical sense, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward, moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to especially break down the future development of the AMP, showing how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in a significant manner, while AMP's Williams %R marker explicitly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, truly signaled basically, is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how we utilize kind of relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving exceptionally normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the AMP, exhibiting how AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which truly is very huge. AMP financial backers need to explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The principal support level for AMP for the most part is at $0.005, while the truly second one really is at $0.004 in a quite large manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP explicitly has R1 and R2 at $0.005. $0.006 individually, which in every practical sense shows that AMP records genuinely descending development today, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 45 and really is attempting to generally break out of the impartiality zone. So one-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while extremely complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchange